Hi guys, Shalana here. If you're new, welcome. If you're a return subscriber, hey. So guys, as you all know from the title, today is another Pennywise haul. So this is actually the first Pennywise haul of 2022. Alright guys, it is not very lengthy and I'm going to do it a little different than I usually do. If you all are hearing children's music in the background, you all know that's my daughter. So the first product is this here. This is the Pimple Patch for all skin tones, right guys? I actually purchased this again. I've used a box of this already. Let me open this up here and show you guys. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you are seeing that so well, but you see the little rounds on there, right? Those are the patches that you can place on your skin. So I just have, well, now I don't have any pimples, but I just keep these on hand just in case one of those little pesky little pimples decide to pop up. Just stick it on there and go my way until, you know. So here it says that it absorbs pus and oil, protects from external pollutants, and minimize swelling. So this is it, and this was $11.95. Next we have a foot pack. This is a deep moisturizing foot pack. This is with tea tree and peppermint oil, right? So there's one treatment in here for 20 minutes, right? And it's enriched with peppermint oil. Now guys, recently I have found out that I have something called contact dermatitis. So maybe allergic to something, and when you come into contact with it, it makes a reaction on your foot. So apparently some of the shoes that I am wearing for like work and stuff like that, I'm allergic to it, and you get like this kind of scaly type of a rash on your skin. So right now I'm working diligently to get rid of this because my feet need to be smooth. I can't be having rough feet, right? So this is what I bought this for. So soon enough I will be having a little maintenance day vlog for you guys to see, so you all will see what I do to my feet to try to keep it as moisturized and as smooth and as clean as possible. So this is that. I think this was about $10 to $16. I can't remember for sure what the price is. In no particular order, we have this here. It is a hair braiding kit and it is $9.95. right? And as you can see, you have the string. We have some kind of like African beads here. We have one here that has like a shell at the end of it, and the usual cuffs for your braids. So I just pick these up because sometimes as you can see, I have braids, and most times I do. Yes, ma'am. Right, so as you all can see, I have braids in my hair. Most times my hair is in braids, and if I feel like jazzing it up a little bit, you know, this is a good, it is something that you can use. And I believe that they have it in silver as well, but I prefer the gold. So we have this here. This is by Spa Subscriptions. It's a superfood makeup cleansing wipes. So you all know that I do makeup a lot, right? So and I need to clean my face, and even when I'm not cleaning, even when I'm not wiping makeup off my face, I like to make sure that my skin is squeaky clean. And I've been working really hard on getting my skin as clear as possible. Right about now I am pimple free and I am so happy. So all we need to do is to clear these marks and I'll be good. So that's why I picked these up. Right, these are in kiwi and strawberry. It smells really nice, it really do. And this was $20. I have here is some Kotex Security Day like this, right? These are $8.95 and you get 16 in a pack. I'm actually liking these. It's not a pad, but yet it's not really like a liner, because the liner is much thinner than this. And I'm actually liking these, like for really truly like these, like when you just, you know, come in and say your last, or you no starting. These are good to use. So these are the long ones, right? I don't know if it come in wings or not. Okay, so I'm seeing it in the back here. It has the regular, it has the long, and it have the extra coverage. And these are the long ones, and they are $8.95. I got a little something that's, you know, pop in your bag, right? Because from growing up, my mom always taught me that you keep panty shield and underwear and tissue in a little pouch in your bag, right? You always keep that on you for just in case of anything, right? So these actually are good, you know, there's something that you guys pop in your handbag to make sure that you're secured whenever, you know, you need it. Is this so this is a travel bottle set. So now, and this is for $19.95, right? So now guys, in the times that we are living in, right, we have a lot of hand sanitizing going on, and between you and I, this hand sanitizing business that is drying out the hands. Okay, so these are the bottles that you have. So you have like a little pump bottle here, right? You have bottles like these, right? And with the hand sanitizing that is going on, you can put your hand sanitizer in one of these, right? So these are the ones that you open like that, right? You have 3 like these that you open, right? So you know, you see, 1 is a little slender, 2 is a little fatter, right? And you can mix and match as you want. Put your little hand cream in here. You can put your soap, you can put hand sanitizer, whatever you like, inside of here, and you can also have little containers like these. So in all, we have 4 bottles and this little container here, and you also have this little pouch. You can fit them in and zip it up, and you're good to go, right? Now I find that's a deal. Yes. Now you all know that I have a child, and my child do not drink plain tea. She don't. Ever since a baby, she don't drink plain tea, but yet she don't drink porridge, right? So for it not to be that liquidy consistency, but yet not porridge, this is what I go for. Nutribon, right? This is in the honey and wheat infant cereal, right? And he got in 2 in a pack for $30 something, because it's like about $19 for one. So yeah, so I get 2 in a pack, right? This time I get 2 in a pack, right? So this is what I make her tea with. Here is acetone, right? This is the 250 mls, and this is $13.95, right guys? Now you all know that I do my nails. Sometimes I myself, sometimes I go and get my nails done. Either way, when it's time to get it off, acetone, right? There's nothing else to explain about this. It's acetone. Let me just show you all fast. At first, I picked this up for myself, but then after I was like, sure, Anna, you know you're not supposed to be eating no junk. You know, you tell yourself that you want to lose 2 pounds this year. What it is you pick up this for? Why I pick up this for? And all you can see 2 1, right? But I ain't go. Let me let you know. The 2 I give my mom it. I give my mom 2 of it, right? And the other 2, my daughter will eat piece by piece by piece until it's finished, right? So I'm going to hold myself accountable. I'm not going to eat any of it. As much as I pick it up, I'm not going to eat any of it. Have here is, I know it back to front because of the camera, but all it is, excuse me now. Right, but this is a precise blending sponge from Urban Studio, right? So it is a makeup sponge. If I could find the bill, I think this was about $30 something. Yeah, ridiculous. If I find the bill and I get the price, I will put it on the screen. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take it out of the package. I find makeup sponge. Why makeup things so expensive? Like, what it does it have in these things? Okay, I can understand some of the foundation and thing, but the sponge, well, they make a sponge with. Right? So they say, so this is what it looks like. Nice and soft. Right? And you really have a little angle to, you know, to do your thing. Right? So if it is here into makeup, you know what I'm for. Right? You know, you do with that. This little, this thing here. Right, and this was $38.95. right? This is by Fantasia. Right, it is a styling foam. It adds volume, body, and shine to the hair. Right, it's a hair polisher, and it has aloe vera and vitamins in it. It also has wheat protein. Right, it smooths and detangles for style control. So I have never used this before. They said it is ideal for blow dries, curling irons, and rollers. It is alcohol free, right? As I said, I never used this before, so this is a new product in our staple, right? But it do have pretty. Let me make sure I make it hair smell good. Alright, it has a decent scent. Right? It has a decent scent. Now, guys, I picked up these are the Mega Flare individual medium eyelashes. These are nut free, right? So sometimes I just don't want to do no strips. Sometimes I just want to wake up looking flawless. Okay, right? I just want to look like I've been doing something when I wake up, right? So that is what these are for. Because I feel like, you know, when you put on these, it should last you. It should, once you do it properly, you a minute, right? At least, if not until your neck, your refills or so, right? And I also picked up these by J Lash, right? These are the Flare Long Black, and these have nuts in it. I don't know if you all can tell the difference in the two. Probably not because of the camera, but yeah. So these are the different. These are long, these are medium length, and it also has a row of short to the top to do your eyes. I have some toothbrushes here. This is for my daughter. This is to ensure that she keeps her little teeth clean, because I don't know, for who knows, right? I went and get all her baby teeth removed, majority of them. So now it's just the permanent teeth that will be coming in. So you, anytime you see her and she speaks and stuff like that, you will see that she doesn't have all her teeth, especially to the front, right? But a lot of her permanent teeth are coming in right now, and we need to ensure that my money don't go down the drain by keeping those permanent teeth clean. You understand? So she had enough toothbrush. She could change it every day if she wants to, yeah. Because we have our next pack in size is Vaseline lip balm, right? This is the lip therapy. This is the original. I actually didn't want original, but this is all it had, and I wasn't going to buy no chapstick. Okay, something for me is this Tic Tac. Guys, I can remember the last day I eat Tic Tac, you know, honestly. Remember the last day I eat Tic Tac, right? I honestly can't. So what is this is because, guys, I be having some sweet cravings. And I try my hardest not to be indulging in the sweetness. You understand? So, you know, pop up one or two of this, and anytime you know that little craving coming, and you get to go. Is the FBS Intimate and Body Cleansing Wash. This is in coconut milk. I saw they have it in aloe vera. I don't know what else they have it in, but it's safe and gentle for your lady pads, right? You can also use it on your body, but I use it for my lady pads alone, right? And so far so good. I am on my second bottle, so this is my third bottle since I'm using this. You all saw that I used to have something else, but that one, the price, the government ain't paying me enough yet. This one working good, so we go over that. This is Dove Baby Lotion. right, for sensitive moisture. And this is for my baby girl, right? I've been trying everything in the world for her skin, right, because she have or had eczema since she was a baby, and she always have dry skin. So I am trying to stay on top of what works for her. I've been using the cocoa butter petroleum jelly, and that was actually working pretty nice, and it has such a nice smell, right? But sometimes I doesn't want it to have that greasy, you know, that greasy feel, right? Or I'm just looking at different methods and how to, you know, keep our skin dry, because guys, even though I use that, as greasy as it may be, in the beginning it will be greasy, but as the day passes on, our skin is back to being dry. So I'm going to try this. I'm pairing it with the cocoa butter petroleum jelly to cover it, to seal it in, and see how that works. Next thing that we have here is some Duckbill Clips, right? Duckbill's Clips. Styling here with excellent hold, right? And these are in the color silver. There are 10 pieces in here. This is about $10.95 or so. I will get the correct price and I'll put this on the screen for you guys. But this is what it looks like. Last product for this haul is this here. This is the St. Ives Renewing Body Lotion. This has collagen and elastin in it, and it smells amazing to me. Right, I bought this because, as I was telling you all about my feet situation, I want something that will keep my foot moisturized and also my body. Usually I buy Vaseline. Vaseline hasn't been doing bad or whatever, but I want something with more of a fragrance. Vaseline, the one that I had was Essential Healing or something like that, but I want something with a little fragrance together with my oils and stuff like that. I just want to be smelling sweet, you know. I just want to be smelling sweet. There's a reason I really pick up this now, because I just want to be smelling more sweet. I don't know what it is, but I need to be smelling sweet. Anytime I pass, you have to say, yeah, you. Anyway, so this is about $33.95, right? It smells good. It says high collagen and elastin in it, so it's supposed to be rejuvenating your skin. You all know what collagen does to the skin. It's supposed to, you know, tighten it and strengthen it and all that good stuff. So this is the last product for this haul. This is what we're gonna be using for the body. Right, guys, enjoy this little Pennywise haul. It wasn't too much. It was just a few things that I want to pick up. I hope you enjoyed this style of video. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and follow me at Shalana Aesthetic on Instagram. Follow me and subscribe. What you waiting on? Just come and join the family. Anyway, bye guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Later.
Smile at every word I wrote.